In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Framer account. Let's get started right from the beginning. Open your web browser and go to framer.com. On the homepage, look for the option to sign up, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on sign up to begin creating your account. On the sign up page, you'll see different ways to register. In this walkthrough, we're going to use the continue with Google option. Click on continue with Google and a new window or pop-up will appear from Google asking you to choose which Google account you want to use. Select the Google account you'd like to link with Framer. Once you click on your account, Google may show you a permission screen. This is just asking for your consent to share basic information like your name and email address with Framer. Review the information, then click on Continue to proceed. After this, you'll be redirected back to Framer. You may see another screen asking you to confirm and continue setting up your account. Go ahead and click. Continue again. Next, you'll arrive at Framer's basic setup or survey page. This is where Framer asks a few simple questions about you and how you plan to use the tool. Just fill in the fields based on your situation. For example, you might select your role or what best describes you as a user. In this example, we simply choose Other, but you should pick the option that feels most accurate for you. When you're done with that first page of questions, click on Continue to move forward. On the next screen, you may be asked about how you plan to use Framer or how often you expect to use it. Here, we select Other again where applicable, and choose some occasional use to indicate that we won't be using it heavily all the time. You can choose whatever fits your own usage plans, but the process is the same. Select your options, then keep moving forward. Continue through these brief survey questions, choosing Other where shown in this example, and finally click on Get Started. This tells Framer that your initial setup is complete. At the end, Framer will ask if you want to download the desktop app or continue with the web app. For this tutorial, we'll choose to continue with the web app. Once you make that choice, your Framer account is successfully created and your basic setup is done. You're now ready to start exploring Framer and creating your own projects.